Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. This particular video is integrated for subject of computer science for class 5. It is based on unit 2, computer memory. Our learning objectives are: after this chapter, student will be able to define computer memory. They will also be able to define measuring units of computer memory, types of computer memory, and various types of external storage memory. Let's start our topic, computer memory. What is computer memory? Capacity of computer to store data and information is called its memory. As human have brain, similarly computer has memory. Memory is used to store data and instructions that are given to a computer. It is used to store the input that is given to the computer stored into the memory. Also, at the time of processing, all the data and information and instructions are stored into computer memory, and the output of the computer is also stored in computer memory. So we can say it is used to store the input as well as processing and output of a computer. Computer can easily store pictures, games, audio, video, any document. So computer memory is used to store all the data that are given into computer. Instructions that are given to computer are converted into a new language. It is called machine language. The language of computer is machine language. It's a language that is in the form of zeros and one. It's a language of zeros and one. The digits in zeros and one are known as a bit. Computer memory is usually measured in terms of byte. So let's see different units, measuring units of memory. As you measure height in feet and inches, weight in gram and kilogram, in a similar way computer memory is measured in bytes. A byte consists of a group of 8 bits. The other measuring units that are used in computer are bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. In a similar way, 4 bits make 1 nibble. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. And 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. Let's discuss this topic of memory types in detail. There are two basic memory types. One is called primary memory and second one is secondary memory. Primary memory is further divided into two main categories. One is called ROM, the other one is called RAM. Primary memory is computer own memory, while secondary memory is those memories that are used externally to store data and information. In secondary memory we have pen drive, DVD, CDs, hard disk and floppy disk. All these are used to store data and information in computer. Let's discuss primary memory or internal memory of computer in detail. Primary memory of computer is used to store data and programs running in the computer. It is essential for working of computer. Primary memory is further divided into two main categories. One is called RAM and second one is ROM. ROM, that is read-only memory. It stores information permanently. Programs are stored in ROM chip when the computer is manufactured. It's non-volatile memory. You can only read information, you can't write anything in this memory chip. So we can say read-only memory. It's called ROM. It's only used to retrieve data from computer. User can't write anything or can't store anything in this memory type. Second type that come under category of primary memory is random access memory, that is called RAM. RAM is a volatile memory. It holds data temporarily. Information can be stored and written in it. Data can be lost when power is switched off. When we are using this computer, for example, we are using Microsoft Office and we are making a document, suddenly power turn off. All our data got lost if we haven't saved that data. So RAM basically holds that data. So we can say RAM is a volatile memory. Why is it called volatile memory? Because once power is switched off, all data will get erased. While on second category that we discussed, that is ROM hold data. ROM is permanent memory. You can't change data. You can't even store or write data on ROM. While RAM provides the facility that user can write information, can store information in RAM. Let's draw a quick comparison between primary memory type, ROM and RAM. RAM, it's a temporary storage, while ROM is a permanent storage. RAM store data in MBs, while ROM store data in GBs. RAM is a volatile memory, while ROM is non-volatile. Fourth main difference, that is, it is used in normal operation, while ROM is used to first start a process of a computer. So this is the basic difference between RAM, random access memory, and ROM, read-only memory. At the end of this lesson, all you have to do is you have to define byte. What are two types of primary memory that we have discussed in our lesson? You have to write it down in your notebook. You also have to solve exercise, fill in the blanks and MCQs that are given at the end of your Unit 2 that are related to this topic. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.